This video is to show the property managers on how WOW Business Services will deliver our broadband high-speed internet service to provide service for Jersey Mike subs as well as other tenants within this complex here. This video shows the path that will be taken along the easement, which is indicated by the white chalk marks as we go forward. We're now approaching the rear of the complex. As you can see here, this is where Jersey Mike subs will be located. We will continue to follow the white chalk lines. And this service will go up and behind the dumpsters. It is at this point here where we will bore the back driveway so that we can install our services to the side of the building. It will be placed in a commercial grade utility box. Approximately halfway of this driveway, we will do a 2x2 cut in order to ensure that we are following the correct path and that we're not disturbing any active utilities at this time. This cut will be replaced with hot asphalt immediately after this construction is completed. We will continue along the rear easement to show you the path that will be taken to provide the additional service tenants with service. It is here at the corner of this sidewalk where we will do our second bore over to the building in order to install a commercial grade utility box in order to deliver our service out of. Approximately halfway throughout this driveway, we will do a 2x2 cut in order to ensure that we're not interrupting any of the current utilities. This cut will be replaced with hot asphalt immediately after the construction is complete. Please keep in mind, this is a service that WOW Business Services we do every day, providing service into complexes. Please review, and we appreciate all of your help as far as expediting this construction so that this tenant can receive service and that it can open for business. Thank you.